everyone, in today's world, it is too easy to take a photo. You just grab your phone, point it anywhere, and with a click, you get a photo. However, because it is too easy to take a photo, I sometimes end up with low quality pictures. And then my storage would be full, and I have to delete pictures, so that is why I got the Fujifilm QuickSnap Flash camera. It is a single-use film camera. A film camera forces you to think twice before you take a picture to think whether the scenery is worth it. So I am going to be doing a review on this. It says continuous flash one-time use camera. Fun and easy to use. 10 feet or 3 meters of flash range. Photo finishers are encouraged to send the camera to Fujifilm for recycling. On the back, it says, Quick Flash System is always ready for your next picture. Contains Fujicolor 400 speed film for superior color reproduction and ideal for most lighting conditions. It also says to process before July 2025. I got this camera in 2023, but I don't know if they actually manufactured it in 2023. On the bottom there is this disclaimer. Notice, if this product is found defective, our liability will be limited to the equivalent replacement or refund of the purchase price. Except for such replacement, this product is sold without warranty, expressed or implied, even if damage, defect, or loss is caused by negligence or other faults. Since colored dyes may change over time, no warranty against or liability for any color changing is expressed or implied. This is the camera. You have to attach the wristband. The wristband smells bad, but not the camera. It also comes with this quality photo cloth to clean the lens. Here are the instructions on how to use the film camera. One-time use camera. Advance film to 0 after last exposure. Charge flash, wind, point and snap. Flash range up to 10 feet or 3 meters. On the bottom, it says process before July 2025. There are 27 exposures. Processing not included in camera price. This camera will not be returned to you after processing. This is what it looks like. You should feel and hear the shutter click when taking a picture. This is how you charge the flash. You just push the slide up. On the bottom of the camera, you can peel back the label from the perforation line to remove the battery and film roll. This is the battery and battery compartment. This is the film roll. You can put the film roll back in the camera. These are the film negatives. And finally, these are the processed pictures taken with the film camera. Thank you for watching. Take care.